So this video, we're going to draw a flow chart of the tracheobronchial tree. So we're going to start up at the top with the trachea itself. And we know the trachea is going to split into our primary bronchi. So this will actually be our right primary bronchus, and over here, our left primary bronchus. So one of those is going to each of the lungs. Now, we know the lungs get subdivided into lobes. So our next branching are going to be lobar bronchi. We can also call them secondary. So how many secondary bronchi will we have on the right? Well, it needs to correspond to the number of lobes that we have. So we will label these as the same as the lobes: superior, middle, and inferior. These are all going to be secondary or lobar bronchi. So that's true on the right. The left, we know, only has two. So we drop the middle. We end up with superior and inferior. From here on out, each of these secondary bronchi is going to do the same thing. So we're just going to follow the path of one on that right-hand side. As it starts to subdivide, we call these segmental bronchi. And then we get into conducting. But we no longer call them bronchi. We call them bronchioles. And this is an important distinction. We'll talk about why in a moment. Conducting bronchioles keep dividing to become terminal bronchioles, which keep dividing again. They become respiratory bronchioles. And those are going to lead us to alveolar ducts. And eventually to alveoli, where we know that gas exchange is going to occur. Now, why is it important, this switch from bronchi in the naming to bronchioles? It tells us something important. Everything from here down, I'll make a big box, there's no cartilage.